Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 13th of January. And first of all, national news. Anti-terror agency charge sheets for four raising funds to promote ISIS agenda. India blocked to hold talks on seat sharing today. Trinamool to skip meet. India's cleanest city indoors spent 200 crore annually on waste management. PM inaugurated projects worth 30,500 crore in Maharashtra in big infra boost. Another terrorist attack on army in Jammu and Kashmir, Punch. Soldiers fired back. Citigroup to cut 20,000 jobs in next 2 years. And now some international news. Sudan war risks generational catastrophe for 24 million children. United Nations. Pope Francis, unable to complete speech, have a touch of bronchitis. Will formally crush Taiwan independence attempts of all forms, China said. US led strike on Houthi. Rebel aim to protect shipping in Red Sea, NATO. 4% of CEOs worldwide are prioritizing bringing employees back to office full time, survey. Climate change, misinformation among 10 global risks of 2024 in New World Economic Forum report. Now some sports news. We have the team to surprise Australia in AFC Asian Cup by Chung Bhutia. India will begin their campaign with a match against the United States on Saturday. Rohan Bonappa Matthew Ebden pair entered men's doubles final at Adelaide International. Satvik Sairaj and Chirag entered men's doubles semi-finals. Ashwini and Tanisha lost in Malaysia Open. Business related news. BHEL got letter of award for EPC package worth rupees 15,000 crore from NLC India. US 2-year yield hit lowest since May after PPI markets ran. India US discussed ways to boost trade investments ties at TPF meet. IIP growth in India's industrial output fell to 8 months low at 2.4%. IT sector finally seeing a good run, analyst said. HDFC Life Insurance quarter 3 results profit up 16%, value of new business fell 2%. Sugarcane ethanol policy solution will be found after April, Gadkari assured sugar industry. And that's all in news. Thank you.